channel. At for today's video, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano natin i-convert yung ating mga purchases sa ating Rcbc credit card into installment. So if you want to know how to do it, please keep on watching.
Unang-una, make sure na meron kayong Rcbc online banking app. Kung meron na kayo, mag-login lang kayo sa inyong application using your PIN and username. Next, choose the transaction you'd like to convert. You can select from your recently posted transaction or billed transaction from your latest statement of account. Only transactions with less than sign are eligible for the conversion. After that, tap the chosen transaction, swipe left, and click Convert to Installment button. Select your preferred installment term. Choose from 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 24, and 36 payment terms. Disclaimer: total interest and monthly amortization are indicative. Actual monthly amortization will be showing in the next screen. After that, review and convert. Once you have reviewed the transaction details, click the I have read and accept the terms and conditions checkbox. Then click the Convert Now button. And you're done! Details of your Unli 0% Unli installment purchase conversion transaction will be shown.
So that's it, guys. If you have any question, just comment down below. And thank you for watching.